Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 5 best rice cooker from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time. So don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Zojirushi Rice Maker, microcomputerized fuzzy logic technology. Capacity up to 5.5 cups 1.0 liter. Dimensions, W into D into H, 10 to an eighth into 14 into 8.5 inches. The electrical rating is 120 volts, 610 watts. Automatic keep warm, extended keep warm, and reheating cycle. Easy to clean, clear-coated stainless steel exterior. 2 delay time settings. Interchangeable melody and beep signal. Built-in retractable power cord. Doubles as a steamer with its versatile steam menu setting. Panasonic rice cooker. Makes 6 cups of freshly cooked rice and other foods. This Panasonic rice cooker prepares up to 3 cups of uncooked rice, 6 cups cooked, used with white, brown, yellow, short, or long grain rice and other foods including oatmeal, soups, and vegetables. One-step automatic cooking. Simple, one-step operation with the push of a button. Includes automatic shut-off function when cooking is complete. Durable non-stick coated aluminum pan. The resilient, non-stick aluminum-coated inner pan is designed to withstand years of continual heat and use, and is easy to clean. Glass lid with plastic white knob. A tempered see-through glass lid with plastic knob lets you safely monitor cooking. Included accessories. A measuring cup and rice scoop are included for easy cooking and serving. Dimensions, WXDH 240 into 198 into 210. Mini rice cooker. More than rice. Oatmeal, stew, soup, quinoa, rice, and pasta. The 2-cup capacity allows for healthier portion control or individual quick and easy breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, or sides. Quick plus easy. Setup time is minutes. Simply add water and your uncooked rice, pasta, or veggies and press the cook button. Your steamed meal or side is ready in less than 20 minutes with less cleanup. Keep warm function. Updated with a keep warm function and indicator light. Aroma digital rice cooker. Easy-to-use programmable digital controls, complete with an automatic keep warm mode after each cycle. An array of preset functions for every kind of meal. White rice, brown rice, steam, flash rice. Steam meat, vegetables, and more with the provided steam tray, all while rice cooks below. Perfectly prepares 2 to 8 cups of any variety of cooked rice or grains. Sensor logic technology for delicious, fluffy rice and grains every Musum rice cooker. Easy to serve. Just through pressing the single push button, a one-touch operation, the cooker makes the cooked rice served quickly in a short time as 19 mins for 2 cups uncooked rice. Time varies for different rice and rice amount, saving cooking time a lot. Capacity. Perfect cooking up to 3 cup uncooked, 6 cup cooked capacity. Perfect for individual, growing family. Auto warmer. The cooker stops when the rice is ready and automatically switches to keep warm for more than 24 hours, maintaining the good taste of the cooked rice. Food grade guarantee. The inner pot features a ceramic non-stick coating, ensuring food grade safety. Accessories. This cooker includes a durable ceramic